headlines. Curtains down on Shiroi Lily Fest. Governor Dr. Najma unhappy over lily becoming rarer. Manipur Police Raising Day celebrated with enthusiasm. Shyam Sharma says art forms portray existence of Manipur society. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah thanked the state government and all others associated in organizing the Shiroi Lily Festival for their endeavor and commitment to celebrate this rare flower and make the people aware of our environment and the need for its protection. She also complimented them for taking the brand name of Shiroi Lily, the state flower of Manipur, for popularizing it far and wide. Dr. Najma Heptullah expressed unhappiness that the lily, which flowers in late May to early June, is becoming rarer, and many experts have felt that it may ultimately become extinct, which the rising temperature and change in the habitat. She said this during the closing ceremony of the festival of Tangkhul Naga Long Ukhrul today. She further said that there is need for more vigilance on the part of all stakeholders and a proper scientific study on the flower so that this renowned flower can continue to thrive in its original habitat. She thanked the ICAR for taking up tissue culture of this plant and hoped that it will perpetuate this plant not only in its original habitat but also in laboratory conditions so that it does not become extinct. Governor Najma also stressed on the positive side that Shiroi Lily Festival, if marketed properly, can become a tourist attraction. Going by the increase in footfalls from the previous editions, the festival can lead to a boost in tourism for the district and the state in general, she added.
Lily Festival, if packaged and marked properly, can become a tourist attraction going by the increase in footfall from the previous edition. The festival can lead to a boom in tourism for the district and state in general, as just the Secretary of Tourism has told us.
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said communalism is one of the most serious problems in smooth running of the society. He urged one and all to follow the ideology of oneness and work for a better Manipur. He was delivering on the occasion of 128th Manipur Police Raising Day celebration at 1st MR Parade Ground, Imphal today. Biren Singh said the task carried out by Manipur Police is praiseworthy because it is not an easy task in Manipur situation. He also thanked the State Police Department for rendering this selfless service to the society in maintaining law and order and also their meticulous work in safeguarding the state. CM Biren further said the BJP-led government has been working for unity of the state. Singh also urged all to inculcate the feeling of unity for a healthier Manipur. Chief Minister urged that the people should have respect for the police personnel in recognition of their relentless service to the society. Biren Singh also said that steps are being taken up for construction of a memorial site for those police personnel who lost their precious lives in protecting the state. He also announced that 100 physically fit women commandos will be recruited soon in the state police.
same sacrifice as the Moy memorial stage to same kind of Moy. They putting this there to one period. And still, put them up there of and I put this day up. Otherwise, it's a second pick up. If I come to Within the society, the Amarica, the state, that's talking about the Miami, recognition people. Alhaji Liber, government, and regulators, Yamna, visionary leaders, in high to the annual boy, agreement with police was a woman from the ceremony.
During the celebration, CM Biren took the salute of a colorful march past parade led by Commanding Officer S.H. Jugeshwar of 5th IRB. Prizes of DGP Trophy for Best Police Station was distributed during the event. The first prize went to Moreh Police Station, second prize to Lilong Police Station, and the third prize to Thobal Police Station. 5th Manipur Rifles bagged the DGP Trophy for Best Battalion. Second prize was awarded to 2nd MR, while 3 IRB and 9 IRB jointly bagged the third prize. A blood donation camp was also held at the banquet hall of 1st MR to mark the occasion.
Moving on with our program, we have distribution of awards, trophies, Best Battalion from the year 2016 in MPS, Commandant 5th Battalion.
A three-day festival of literature, dance and music was kicked off today at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. The event is organized by Writers Forum, Imphal under the aegis of North Eastern Council, Ministry of Donor, eminent filmmaker, singer and composer Aribam Shyam Sharma, eminent poet and former director IPR, NEC Manas Ranjan Mahapatra, renowned critic and professor of English, Guwahati University, Dr. Bibas Chaudhary, and eminent writer and president of Writers Forum, Imphal, Kaisham Priyo Kumar attended the gala opening function as main guest. Several other artists and scholars were also present at the occasion. The festival, which will continue till October 21st, is being celebrated at Thanga Karang of Vishnupur 2. Addressing the function, legendary filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma said that music, literature and dance are an integral part of human society, which identify our culture. He added that even in the study of Manipuri history, musical instruments like pena and Lai Haraba musical form play a significant role. Though these art forms, the existence of our society is portrayed, he noted. Shyam urged the masses to develop a feeling of inclusiveness so that our culture, history and identity can be preserved.
Suni chapchaba mapandi activity from Tiana Kali, Makuni Piba, society, Manipur society, Makuni Piba, Agapapa, Eloni. A lot of I worry with the leader, okay, Nasip Jibando, Happy Wallet man, Community, Nasip Jibando, Happy Kumba, let's see, Tingalaga, Philip from the Masila, Mayan High, Italy. Apply change it from looking to I lady the store, I lady the store, the store, I lady, like I ship you by the gap to the lady, and you shouldn't look on the kind of hard and our payment of you as the Punchi. Mashita, then what a quick that. Thank you.
Assistant Environmental Engineer of Manipur Pollution Control Board, Lamphilphal, Dr. W. Roshan expressed deep concern over the rise of noise pollution level in Imphal city due to increasing number of diesel auto rickshaws. Talking to TOMTV at MPCB office today, he said that the Imphal city noise pollution level will be monitored in 3 different locations of the Imphal on October 21st and 27 under the directive of Central Pollution Control Board. He added that the MPCB is all set to check the noise pollution level during the upcoming Diwali festival in different places like MG Avenue, Kashampat and Singjamai in the city. At the same time, ambient air quality will also be monitored from tomorrow till November 3rd, Roshan informed. He said that though diesel auto rickshaw manufacturers sell their vehicles with guaranteed proper noise level, the passenger service auto rickshaws have become a major factor for noise pollution in the city.
Kaisampatiki Governor ki paring the lady Lambi Lambi Mataida monitoring Anisuba Mapumo in the Pantuk Sagani, Adigi ahum subadana akhoi singjamai parking da oina pangthok jagani haibasi pre Diwali gi oina tangkun mathoi da pangthokani aduga Diwali nimta chu pangthokani aduga monitoring gi timings di nungdang wairam gi pung 6 ti hawraga pung 12 bu pangthok jagani noise gi oina akhoi gi diesel auto sigi yamna kaino ba sensitive issue oiba ko adigi diesel auto driver singna su adum yaning da basum media gi thongna adum phongdor pusi yawi adu khwai luri badi masi company duna masi yare haduna certified toraga tharok oiba noise level si yare na thadorokpani na ose akoina heta masi yade khotin hairu busu langani ko adu tawodabu akogi ambient noise na akogi surrounding the all level noise di Imphal city de adum hele basi diesel su yamna contributor mani noise ki da ko aduni hindi heli adu akoina hoji akogi government gi side tagi su koi pollution gi side tagi su ko alternative mayama akoi hoji tauna ba hona jari ko e-rickshaw introduce to ba khotpa sum mayama hoji ki di oina sumba pambaisi akoina yam kanna khanajari
Vibgyor Institute of Management and Information Technology organized its cultural meet come Teachers Day 2019 at SYDC Community Hall, Sangai Pro today. Director of the Institute, Dr. M. Biren Singh, Social Scientist, Dr. Dhanabir Lashram, Assistant Professor of DM College of Commerce, Dr. Wangkhem Priyokumar, and Secretary of Sangai Pro Naharol Club, T. Kuman Sana Singh, attended the program speaking on the occasion. Dr. Dhanabir Lashram mentioned about the potential negative impact on the people of Manipur when train arrive in the state, which he said could pose a serious threat to the life of the people, which would be detrimental their fate. He urged everyone to join hands together to make a better and stronger society in light of the effects.
Technology to information technology to computer science to Jagoi racing to game to that is handled. Not a mere wooden. Unateka, Sumagi, see Lamjidi, see the Mutta Chapa and the Shiro came there.
Director of Vibgyor Institute of Management and Information Technology, Dr. M. Biren, said that the program was held with an aim to provide a platform for talented students and also to spread awareness on how to strengthen the teacher-student relations.
I see teachers they see Satra Singh they Mokogi support out na Mokogi Satra Singh Uja Singh bo and a power Mari Tamnaba Satra Singh Ojazibu Cam Nushizaba Mokoi Satra Singh the Mokto Jasina Cam Katokpa Hamlet Singh Mayamdu Adugi Mayamdu Toksanabakoi Sigi Vibgyor Institute of Management Information Technology Teachers Day Kam Cultural Festival 2019 see as a Sinja Langzaban.
It's time for a short break, but coming up next. The SAM organizes prize distribution for state-level environment written quiz competition. More after the break.
Diwali amasung Ningol Jakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara leizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su leizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. Democratic Students Alliance for Manipur, Desam, today organized a prize distribution ceremony for the recently held state-level environment written quiz competition, which was organized by the Alliance. The function was held at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. Chairman of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Lamjingbatomtv Singh, President of Desam, Salam Akash, Principal of DM College of Commerce, Dr. Asim Nabachandra Singh, Principal of Ibotonsena High Secondary School, Naurem Prem Pyari Devi, and President of All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association, Laishram Joy Kuman, were present during the function. Speaking during the event, Lamjingbatomtv appreciated Desam for organizing such programs which aim to acquiring knowledge and encouraging competitiveness among the students.
Satri Singhe Wakalonda competitive Jillama Pawan Badanatana, the knowledge acquiring exercise among Pangtokpase Equiprimaki Manipuri Goina, Manipur Labor Satri Singhoina, Yam the Live Pavani Luna, Mapoida Lamjan Tanabagi, competition Lamjan Tanabagi, no Mahapi Bani Haidana Ilosage.
Bookish knowledge with the Lerabagi, Madu Kitan competitive on Toga, Karayan Paninga. School exam passed on with the mark, Amuna with the Pamanato, Toman competition competition the young Bagitil, Amadi competition to the Sargiaraganda, Sargiar to the Kana Boina, Kang the material Mayama, Kang the elements Mayam with a Parakanda, Wakal Susalova, Karimukaradi, Kanawa, Adubuki, the Bill Lakatra, Asadu the Niguina, written with competitions in Mautoxi.
A one-day identification and assessment camp for persons with intellectual disabilities was jointly organized by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, State Commission for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur, Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, and All Tribal Disabled Union Manipur, today at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. More than 300 disabled persons from different districts of Manipur took part in the camp. Assistant Professor Pediatrics, NIEPID, Secunderabad, Dr. G. Mary Anurupa said that the camp was held with an objective to spread awareness on intellectual disabilities and for their early detection.
We would like to discover many schools who require the computer-assisted programs, and we support them with the infrastructure and we support them with the computers so that it will be a learning process from them, and we mainly included as a team. So every year we are the team members, we are coming for the past 5 years, and we are in the way of identifying the children and getting them helped out.
A one-day awareness program on child marriage and POCSO Act 2012 was organized by District Child Protection Unit, Thoubal at Faudin Kairambi Community Hall, Thoubal District today. Social worker Mohammad Khamba, Thoubal District Child Protection Officer Konjainbam Anita, and member of Congress Working Committee Thoubal Maibum Meghna Singh, who is also a science graduate teacher, were the main guests at the program. Thoubal Child Marriage Prohibition Officer Rina Chanu Morangthem, who was one of the resource persons, spoke on disadvantages and negative impact of child marriage, while Chairperson of CWC of Imphal West, T.H. Raj Kishore, spoke on POCSO Act 2012. In connection with the 5th Foundation Day celebration of Human Rights Defender Manipur HRDM, a free medical camp was conducted today at the Old Age Home Mungshangai, Imphal. Around 60 individuals attended the camp organized by HRDM in association with the State Health Department. In the midst of the differences cropping up between the Naga national political groups and the NSCN-IM and the Government of India over the nature of solution to the Indo-Naga peace process, Nagaland Governor and interlocutor for Naga peace talks R.N. Ravi convened a consultative meeting with tribal ho-hos, civil society organizations and church leaders at Hotel Zafu in Kohima on Friday, media reports said. With the 3-month time frame given by the Government of India to conclude the 22-year-old Naga peace process, there appears to be a stalemate over the conclusion of the talks with the NSCN-IM firm on their demand for a separate Naga constitution and flag. The Working Committee of the Naga National Political Groups NNPGs, which comprises of 7 Naga political groups, on the other hand, is willing to sign the deal, while asserting that the issue of constitution and flag can be resolved post-solution. The differences in the contours of the solution inspired by the two parties have also put a dent on the common opinion of the tribal ho-hos and civil societies. Against this backdrop, Nagaland Governor and interlocutor for Naga peace talks R.N. Ravi on Friday attempted to allay apprehensions among the civil society organization and to clarify doubts on competencies and to take them into confidence. Border Security Force Subsidiary Training Centre Churachandpur is observing the Martyrs Week since 15th of this month. The ongoing event was kicked off by Inspector General of STC, BSF Churachandpur, D.K. Tripathi. As a part of the event, a quiz competition was organized at STC campus, which was participated by students of 5 different schools. As part of the observance, homage was paid to martyred Inspector of 168 Battalion BSF Alex T. Lanminlun during a felicitation function held at St. Teresa School, Tuaitengphai village yesterday. A brief life story of late Alex and his sacrifices were also presented at the occasion. D.K. Tripathi also felicitated the family members of late Alex. BSF also handed over sport kits to St. Teresa School Authority. Talking to media, Inspector General D.K. Tripathi lauded late Alex for his sacrifice for the nation. He also assured that BSF STC is building a golf course inside the school campus in the name of Alex. It is worth mentioning that Inspector Alex T. Lanminlun was posted at 168 Battalion BSF in Poonch, Jammu when he died in April last while retaliating cross-border shelling from Pakistan. Time for another break, but stay tuned for more news.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawbirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Lakadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi gakdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangawa mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom ge apama design kudingmak ki order sulokjari amtang lengsin biro khwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite ki fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique
Nupi ekhoi gi di khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi khoi chingnaningai oidre ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ.
Welcome back. 5 persons of a family were cheered to death today when a massive fire broke out at Nis Kodomoni area in Assam's Dibrugarh district, media reports said. The fire broke out at 1:30 a.m. and the 5 deceased were in deep sleep at the time of the incident. The 5 deceased included 1 woman, 2 men and 2 children. The lady has been identified as Maya Devi. Among the men, one has been identified as her son Vishal Sonar and the other as their domestic help Nonu. The 2 small children have been identified as Maya Devi's grandsons named Shibu Sonar and Sanku Sonar. The massive fire destroyed 3 houses of the family. The actual reason behind the fire is yet to be ascertained. Locals assume that the fire broke out due to a cylinder blast. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal expressed grief over the incident. He revealed that the district administration has been directed to conduct an inquiry into the accident. The CM also announced ex gratia of Rs 4 lakh to next of kin of the deceased. The government of India has decided to put off a postponed visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Ankara, Turkey as a part of a member of measures showing its displeasures over Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's speech at the United Nations General Assembly last month, where he criticized its move on Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. According to media reports, the visit, which had been discussed when Modi met Erdogan at Osaka in June last, is unlikely to take place by year-end as planned earlier. Pakistan's opposition leader Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has announced that his party would hold a nationwide anti-government protest to press Prime Minister Imran Khan to resign and restore real democracy in the country. As per reports, Mr. Bilawal, the chairman of the Pakistan People's Party, said the government had lost its credibility in the masses as it did not fulfill any of its promises. He added, "We don't accept this artificial democracy. The democratic and socio-economic rights of the masses shall be restored and for the Imran Khan has to resign." Now let's have a look at the sports news. Rohit Sharma continued his sensational run as a test opener with his 3rd 100 of the series, making India to regain control of the proceedings after a top-order collapse in the 3rd and final game against South Africa in Ranchi today. According to reports, the Indian team was reduced to 39 for 3. Rohit 117 batting off 164 balls and Ajinkya Rahane 83 batting off 135 shared an unbeaten 185 run stand to stage the home team's remarkable recovery. India were 224 for 3 before bad light, followed by rain, forced an early end to play on day 1 with only 6 overs possible in the final session. Now, before we end the bulletin, the top headlines once again. Curtains down on Shiroi Lily Fest, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah unhappy over lily becoming rarer. Manipur Police Raising Day celebrated with enthusiasm. Shyam Sharma says art forms portray existence of Manipur society. This is all for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.